This next video is actually going to be used for our next two assignments. You're going to be creating, or you're going to be applying filters to two separate pictures. So I've incorporated both of them into this one video because I want to demonstrate to you a number of different ways that you can apply filters. Filters allow us to kind of add a little artsy effect to your photos. We're going to begin by opening up a picture from your original photos. Mine happens to be open already. And I had a picture of three little kids. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to click open. And instead of using the tools along the side, instead of using the image, we're going to use the filter menu. And you have a number of different options within here. I'm going to stick primarily with the filter gallery, but you can certainly play with other things. If I click on the filter gallery, you have a number of different categories up here. We have artistic and brush strokes, and you can close and open them as you please. And you can pick different types of filters to apply to the picture. Once you find one that you like, just simply click OK. And if it's the way you like it, go ahead and hit File and Save As. But remember the type of filter that you used. I happen to pick one called Glass. So I'm going to name it Filter Glass when I get to my edited photos. I'm going to say, whoops, can't even write here, Filter Glass. And I'm going to then save my original photo. I think it was, where are you, picture? There we go. Copy, edit, I'm going to paste it. I'm going to call this one the Filter Glass Original. And remember I said you're going to be creating two pictures with filters on them. I'm going to demonstrate to you another fun little filter that students like to use. You can file and close, and that closed that particular picture, and I'm going to open up a new one. Go to my original folders again. And I may not have I'm going to use the clown picture here. Open. And we'll go to filters again. And once again, you can play with any of these options. Just make sure that you identify which filter you're using when you save it. We're going to use the Liquify one. When I click Liquify, it gives me some new tools over here on the side. And depending on the tool that I choose, when I click on it and then I go over to my picture, it might make some changes to a particular portion of it. In that case, it made it get bigger. I could maybe make the nose shrink a little bit. Those aren't too dramatic. I could do a little bit of a swirly effect here. Not doing so well here. Let's try it again. Let's work with this. Well, so much for being a... Oh, here's the warp. We can kind of do some really funky stuff here with our warp tool. And things can kind of really look like they're just flowing in different directions. So you can always play around with those tools. Once you have it the way you want it, just simply click OK over here. And once again, we're going to save it. File, Save As. And remember, this was a Liquify filter, so I'll go to my Edited. And I'm going to name this as Filter Liquify. And for convenience, I'm going to save the original. And I will save it as Filter Liquify Original. Now it's your turn. Remember, this video covers assignments 9 and 10, so you're going to have to edit at least 2 pictures with some sort of filter.